This is my first Nerf gun review on the Nerf sledgefire. This is I honestly don't know what kind of action this is, or you know, like, is it lever action or is it hammer action? I think it's hammer action. Pretty sure it's hammer action. Anyways, this is from the Nerf Zombie series, right there. You can see the logo. It's a shotgun. It takes shotgun shells filled with 3 darts. So, it's very simple to use. All you have to do is pull down the hammer in order to pull down the barrel. Then you load in a shell, and then you're ready to fire. We will get into the review in a second, the firing test thing. I honestly love shotguns. I would not recommend this to any people that don't really like shotguns and don't have the patience to reload. So, because I'm a shotgun lover, I love flinging multiple darts at my enemy, so I bought this, and sometimes it's a bit annoying to load because it takes so long. So, let's get into the firing review. There we go. Alright, let me just set up the targets, and there's the other one. Good enough. First shell. Got one. I missed. I missed again. I've had this gun for a really long time now, so sometimes I accidentally leave it primed when I'm putting it back into storage. So it's just, the range isn't really that good anymore because I've accidentally left it primed, locked, and loaded in storage. But normally, I think when you get it right out of the box, it's a lot better. The darts fly a lot farther. So honestly, I love this gun. I've already said that, but it's just awesome. I mean, it's a shotgun. It's from the Zombie series, and it's a shotgun. You can hold the shells back here in the stock. And it's pretty fun to use. You can spin it around and surprise your enemies. Oh yeah, pow. But yeah, this is the Nerf sledgefire. I guess that comes to conclusion, so. Yeah. Goodbye.